Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get the Brawl Stars developer build and your own code, right? So let's go to any of the browser here, go to home page. Now here you have to search for Supercell creators, right? And just search for it and look for it here. Now you will get this official web page here, click on it and you will come up here. Now once you're here, you will see that the only place to get exclusive sneak peek tools and support from Supercell to help you create, right? So you have to join them. Now you can just read each and everything. They are trying to build a community, and in fact this community is really good, right? And here you can see some of the creators who have got connected. Now if you also want to be part of this, click on it and click on join us. Now you have to select your age. So let's say we'll just click on continue once you have selected your age here. And here you have to confirm each and everything and make sure click on it. Make sure you're signed in with your Supercell ID here. And where are you creating? So let's say I'll just select YouTube here. If you select YouTube, then it will ask your email address access, basically the channel access, right, for your YouTube account and everything. So you have to give them your access of your account. And once you do this, here this says something wrong because I don't have any kind of YouTube channel, something like this, but you can do this. I hope you got this point. For example, if I go to Twitch, then it will ask me to open the Twitch app here. I'll log in by using my credentials and then I will able to link Supercell and Twitch. So this is how you can get this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.